Hello all, welcome to SurveyPod tutorial playlist. This playlist deals with the smart features in SurveyPod DGNSS. In this video, we will see how to take points using a rover. Open the SurveyPod app and go to the Survey tab. Create a new project with a suitable title. Now select rover from here. Enter the project and you can see your current location with the base map. To take the point, the rover should be held upright. And make sure to keep the bubble in the center while taking the point. Click on the plus sign from the bottom right. A window will appear where it asks for the point description. Give a suitable description and next enter the pole length in meters. I have taken the pole length as 1.8 meter. The survey pole length is selected by default. Now since we are getting fixed data, click on the Fix tab. If you are getting float, then you can select PPK. Now we need to select the averaging time. Averaging time is the time taken to record a point. Here I am giving 10 seconds, which is the minimum. Keep the bubble in the center while taking the points. Now the countdown has started. If you check the rover here, you can see that the LED is blinking, meaning it is taking the points. This is how you can confirm that the rover is taking points. Once the 10-second timer stops, the point gets recorded and the rover stops blinking. Similarly, you can take the other points. The point numbering in the app starts from 0. So, if you want to see the point description of the first point you recorded, click on 0 and then you get the point description. You get the latitude, longitude values as well as the UTM coordinates and the elevation values. Also, if you want to retake or delete, then you have the option to do it. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope now you understood how to pick up points using a rover. And thank you for watching the video.